Good afternoon. This is Jason from North Shore Bait and Tackle, doing my North Shore boat ramp report a little late. It is 4:52. It's a Wednesday, 79 degrees. It's only going to get warmer. A beautiful day again to come out and go fishing. Stop by and see us at 5187 Walnut Road. Had a couple people come in today and told me they were having some good luck on some soft crawls, catching bass. He showed me 3 or 4 pictures of some good sized bass that he actually caught right over there by that bridge. Right over there, he was telling me. But yep, the catfish are still biting. We're on set for Ohio versus Ohio State this weekend, Battle of College, Ohio. We have plenty of refreshments for that, all your tailgating needs. We're completely restocked on beer, cigarettes, lottery. Again, just a beautiful day. We got a special guest down there with us today. Tara, my partner in crime, she came on the walk with me this afternoon. She's more of an afternoon, not a morning person. But again, it's beautiful. I see there's about 1 boat out. Some people fishing around. There's some kayakers out there. Come get it.